Hello friends, I am TCP Dreams and today I am here with a new video for you. In this tutorial, we will learn how to download, install and set up Visual Studio Code, install the live server extension and create your first project folder. First, open your Chrome browser. In search bar, type VS Code download. Click on the first official Microsoft link. Now, depending on your operating system, click download button. Once the file is downloaded, open your file explorer, go to your download folder and double click the VS Code setup file. Tick the option I accept the agreement and click next. In the next step, tick all the empty checkbox to enable all useful features. Finally, click install and wait for the installation to complete. After install, open VS Code. Click on the extensions icon, the box shaped icon on the left. In the search bar, type live server. You will see the live server extension. Click and install. This extension will let you preview your HTML, CSS and JavaScript live in your browser. Now let's create a folder for your project. Go to the file menu and click open folder. Create a new folder and keep it our name learn HTML. Inside the folder, create a new file called learn.html. When you run it using live server, you will see your output instantly in the browser. To run it, click the Go Live option at the bottom right. So today you learn how to install VS Code, add live server extension and start your first project. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel TCP Dreams for more tutorials. See you in the next video. Thank you.